Computech Technology Services offers remarkable on-site computer repair, networking, and voice and data cabling services throughout the whole village of Melrose Park, Illinois. Our high-quality, tech industry accredited on-site PC repair and network technology service technicians travel directly to your Melrose Park location to provide fast, budget-friendly installation, setup, diagnostic and repair services on an incredibly wide array of various computer, printer, and networking technologies. Whether you want Windows operating system error repair performed on your desktop or laptop workstation, virus elimination, or complex hardware troubleshooting and repair services for motherboards, RAM modules, CPUs, or hard disks, our highly experienced computer system PC specialists have you covered. If you need network installation, setup and diagnosis and repair services including full voice and data structured cabling services, our expert-trained voice and data network professionals are all set to service your Melrose Park location right now. Whether you require troubleshooting of your ISP modem, network router troubleshooting, or simply need one of our high-quality Illinois technicians to pull some new cabling to support your growing network, we have it all covered, quickly and professionally. Give us a call today and find out why we are Illinois' most complete on-site computer repair, networking, and voice and data structured cabling service company, 859-780-3020.